So I went to Harbor Freight, grabbed a couple things. I got into this brand, the Bauer brand, their batteries. I got the half-inch drive, the smaller impact one, the quarter drive. So I grabbed their FUD flashlight, a couple other things. But I found this one. This one was this. This is something new they just came out with. Yeah, it clips onto the battery. So here's your battery. Turn it the right way, and it just clips onto there like that. And it's got two USBs right here. There's a button for this one. Oops, on the other side. Click the battery. Oh, it's a little low. I've been charging my cell phone. I charged it multiple times. This is only 1.5 amp hour battery. I have the 3.5 amp hour batteries, the bigger guys, and that's what it looks like with the bigger guys on there. Has a little clip on there for your belt, but it's USBs. They're 2 amp hour USB. Do, like, charge your cell phone. I thought it was pretty cool. Anything that's USB to 2 amps. You can charge your cell phone, all different things on there. If you have like a USB little light, I mean, 1.5 amp hours or 3 amp hours, that light's on for a long time. But in a pinch, to charge something, a lot of things went off USBs. I think it's pretty cool. It's really cool. Especially how small, compact it is, a little belt clip. Even with that, just like that on there. It's pretty cool. Definitely worth it. I think it was, I want to say like 12, maybe 17 bucks. I'll find out one second. $17.99. 17 bucks. I mean, clipped it on the battery. I mean, all of my power tool batteries, my cordless stuff, I charge everything off the solar panels. Those free power, they all get charged off that. And yeah, I mean, I can charge 2 cell phones at once. Power gets cut. You gotta get a bunch of these batteries. I mean, I wouldn't really I wouldn't really mess around with the 1.5s. I would go with the bigger ones, the 3 point, what was it? 3 point, yeah, 3 amp hours, and then now they're up to, I think, 5 amp hours. Yeah, I mean, that's a lot of power. That's a lot for two USBs. You get multiple charges off of it. But I think that's definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. Output combined together, it says 5 volts. So, yeah. I mean, the size on it, I mean, it's a small little thing to add on to your stuff there. So I guess I'll raise it up right there, so you can get that in the camera. What are we working with here? 3.5 inches long, 2.5 inches wide, with the battery. I'm looking at well, if you add the clip part of it in there, a solid 3 inches right here at the clip and all the way down to the battery. I mean, stick it in your cargo pocket, hang it off your belt, charge your cell phone. You can charge these if you have an inverter for your truck. Plug the battery thing in there, the battery charger in there, and charge them. Yeah, you can definitely do a good amount of stuff with them. And then now you have the option with the USBs on this little battery pack thing. That was a great idea. The only thing I wish they had like a multiple charger for like all these batteries. That'd be a really good idea. Definitely a really good idea. But that's it. I mean, it without the battery, it's super small. I mean, it's all made of plastic, but it's not that cheap plastic stuff. It's like high quality, heavy duty plastic. Yeah, I mean, for $17, you can't beat that at all. Just to clip on the battery, and now you can charge your cell phone, tablet. I mean, a lot of things run on USBs now. A lot. Pretty good. Pretty good. I wonder what other things are going to come out with. Because this, I like this right here. You can put a little USB little light on there, and you charge your cell phone. Do it at the same time. That's pretty good. That is definitely pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna cut this one short. There's really not much to really talk about this one. I mean, it's just straight to it. 2 USBs, clicks to your battery, so you can charge things. I've been charging it. I charged my kid's tablet multiple times already. I charged my cell phone and my wife's cell phone, and I'm only at like halfway on this little 1.5 battery, so that's pretty good so far. I'll have to do a longer test on it and see what it can handle. But all right, I'm just gonna keep putting out these things when I grab them. All right, talk to you later.